Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fixed game bar not working in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Gaming. Click Xbox game bar. Turn on Xbox game bar. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Xbox in search bar. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair. If same error still exists, use Reset. Third method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, under Computer Configuration. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Windows Games Recording and Broadcasting. Open enables or disables Windows Games Recording and Broadcasting. Click Enabled, click Apply, click OK. Restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.